In this video, we will be discussing the high-frequency words for Unit 6, Week 1. Our first high-frequency word is answer. This is the word answer. Say it with me. Answer. I know the answer to that question. Spell this word with your finger in the air. A, N, S, W, E, R. Answer. Our next high-frequency word is brought. This is the word brought. Say it with me. Brought. We all brought food for the picnic. Let's spell this word in the air with our finger. B, R, O, U, G, H, T. Brought. Our next high-frequency word is busy. This is the word busy. The bees are busy making honey. Let's spell the word in the air with our finger. B, U, S, Y. Busy. Our next high-frequency word is door. This is the word door. Say it with me. Door. Grandpa met us at the door. Let's spell this word with our finger on our leg. D, O, O, R. Door. Our next high-frequency word is enough. This is the word enough. Say it with me. Enough. Are there enough seats for all? Let's use our finger and spell this word on our leg. E, N, O, U, G, H. Enough. Our last high-frequency word for this week is eyes. This is the word eyes. Say it with me. Eyes. Our eyes and ears help us learn. Take your finger and let's spell this word in the air. E, Y, E, S. Eyes. This week we also have two bonus vocabulary words. The first bonus vocabulary word is demand. Say that with me. Demand. If you demand that someone do something, you ask forcefully or strongly. People can demand fair pay. What do people demand that you do? Our next bonus vocabulary word this week is emergency. Say that with me. Emergency. A fire is a kind of an emergency. An emergency is something that you do not expect and need to take care of right away. How do you feel during an emergency? Those were our high frequency and our bonus vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 1.